we have here handling units, handling unit management. Go to basics. Okay, so here what we define a number ranges for handling units. But this is the document number. It's not the handling unit number, but it is a handling unit creation. No, there is a document saved in SAP. For that you create here. It's a document number, and okay. So fine. And then no, you create a packaging material type. Packaging material types are like the type of a packaging material. No, what kind of packaging materials are there? Okay, grouping of packaging materials into packaging material type. Likewise, for example, we have containers. So all packaging materials which are containers kind are grouped together into under this 0002. Okay. So we define a packaging material type and material group for packaging materials. So material, we again define a material group for packaging materials. Like standard I am using here now C010 as a container. Okay. And then define our packaging materials. So I have used here since I have used C010. So I am using a packaging material type as a V080. So what I am doing, I am assigning these different packaging material types to this material group packaging material. You know what happens? Why we are defining all this is, first what we are doing, we are defining the system for our material, right? So in that, what we have to do is, first we are defining one packaging material and we are creating that packaging material under one group. That is called a packaging material type. And then we maintain in our material as in the material which has to be packaged. In that master data we maintain this material group packaging material, and we give which are the packaging material groups which are allowed for this material group packaging material. Okay. So indirectly when we are assigning this V080, so whichever the packaging materials which are created under this group are available for this material group packaging material. Okay. This can be some little bit confused. I will show you when we execute it, then you will understand. Okay. This is first we are defining for a handling unit management. Okay, first part. So then what I have done, so now I have created a created one packaging material type, and then I have defined the material group for packaging material, and then I have assigned like I have defined the allowed packaging material types to this material group for packaging material. So what I do in the first step, I create one packaging material. Okay. So in MM01 what I do, so I already have created one packaging material. So in sales views you have a field called packaging material group. So when you must be should take care that in standards like we have a VERP like even as a material type for creating a packaging materials. Okay. So if you see here MM01, yes, this is the one VERP. You better take this material type as a packaging material. So we are creating one packaging material. So what I have created a packaging material, and I am assigning this packaging material to the packaging material group V0, 10, and material group for packaging material C0, 10. So by this field, system will determine which packaging materials are allowed for packing the material. So I have maintained here for the packaging. Packaging is one of the packaging material. So I have assigned this under the group of V080. Now let's see, where do we maintain this? So I want to pack this material WM. So I want system to determine this determine the packaging material for the material WM. So what I'll do, I have to make some assignments here. I have to maintain some master data. So what I do, I have maintained as a packaging material C0, 10. Okay. In here, if you maintain here, it will automatically be seen in this sales this area. So what happens is, so first what you have done, you created a packing material. Okay. Packing material under V080. Then what happened? You have allowed C0, 10. You have allowed V080 to be tagged for C0, 10 material types. Okay, material type for packaging material. And the same C0, 10 you have C0, 10 is maintained in the material to be packed. Okay. So what happens? So first the system will see, okay, WM material has to pack. So it will see, okay, what is the material group for packaging material is there. So then what happens? It will go search for this. It will go search for this data. Okay, what are the allowed materials are available for the C0, 10. So we see here we have V00, V080, V10 and V110. All these packaging materials are allowed. So then system will see, okay, for under this what are the packaging materials are there. Then what happens, under this V0, 10, what are the packaging materials are available. So by referencing, by seeing the list, it will find out. Okay. You guys are following?
Yes. Yes.
You got it? Like what we are doing here?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are creating a
so
package. So sorry, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead.
You tell me. Yeah.
Yeah, we created the packaging material type, and corresponding there is a material group, the C010, which we maintain in the material master, so that the system can figure it out. That for which material group this is the package. What is the packaging material type? Is it more or less like that? You know, but not in the detailed way, but very you know, analogous to the material group and material type, right? Which we do in the material master. Not in that sense. You know, that's a different thing.
Yeah, it's like a material type, packing material type. So, we are grouping all the same kinds of packing materials into one group, into one, all the same kind of a characteristics or attributes, if same. What we are doing, we are grouping it and assigning under
the material group PM. Allowed packing.
Assigning under this packing material. Yeah. And then what we are doing, we are creating this material group for packing materials. Again, what we are doing, we are assigning to the material which is to be packed. So under this we are allowing the different packing material types. So system will see whichever packing materials are allowed to pack this material, WM material, by taking this as a reference. Okay.
What are the
And now-
attributes of where we control the attributes of the packaging material type? Can I see that again? For example, we know the material type has different attributes, like it controls the screens, it controls.
That's like not there's nothing we have like as a
Okay.
senior.
Okay.
Here in defining here.
Okay.
But for material group there is nothing like, it's just like one of the like you have a material group, how you define like this.
Okay.
Same as material group.
Yeah, same as material group in the.
But for packing materials you have attributes maintaining it.
Yeah.
So what I have done now, we have created this and we have created a material group of packing material and then we have allowed we have maintained the we have linked, like we have maintained the allowable packing material types for the material group for packing material. So then what happened in that case, just by doing this system, whenever we create any inbound delivery, then when we are going for a packing, system will ask should the system should determine the packing material. Then we will select it and will save it. When we run it, system is packed. But if you want to do the automatic processing, completely automation, so whenever you just click it and click the automatic, click that packing, system will automatically should pack the complete material like with the.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Azam?
Yeah, I think we lost him. Let's.
Yeah,
Let me type the message.
yeah.
Let's